Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Binance app on iPhone in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your app store and download the Binance application. You can select the Lite for some simplicity or Pro for advanced features via your profile. Then you can also go ahead and set up your passkeys. Make sure that you go ahead and do that in your security setting. Finally, you want to go ahead and complete your KYC verification, complete the required level 1 verification, fast iPhone camera scan with highlighting. Then you can also long press the app icon and then tap on P2P or QR scan. You can also rotate for full screen landscape charts as well, just like so. Then you can also access the Web3 wallet, which is built into the bottom menu. Swap tokens, connect to D apps, and maintain self-custody. You can also have lock screen widgets like haptics, touch notifications, and the Apple Watch companion app price alert. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.